This is the 2012 Crownline 18SS. This has got a 4.3 Cruiser TKS, 190 horsepower engine. Does have pull-out cleats, single axle trailer. Does have aluminum steps on the trailer, extended swim platform. Does have your rear boarding ladder, stainless steel prop. Does come with a full cover as well. Let's jump up into the boat. In the front of the boat, you do have your bench seats all the way around. Speakers up front with stainless steel grab handles. Storage underneath the seats, snap-in carpet. You do have a full Bimini Top walk-through windshield. You do have a ski locker. Both captain's chairs do have flip-up bolsters. Got your flat bench, full sun pad. This does have the 4.3 liter TKS engine. It's got 195 hours on the boat. Storage with cup holders in the side of the gunnels. Standard gauge cluster. Got your trim, your temp, your voltage, your RPMs, your miles per hour, your fuel, your oil pressure, and your depth finder. You do have a Sony head unit. You also have tilt steering, your nav lights, bilge and blower, and a horn. Over on this side you do have a glove compartment. And again, stainless steel throughout the whole boat. This is the 2012 Crownline 18-foot SS with a 4.3 liter Cruiser. Thank you.